If you're a coach and you want to attract premium clients, but you feel like your brand doesn't yet look established enough, this is the mistake. Most coaches try to look bigger. Premium positioning requires looking clearer instead. Here's what I mean. When people think about making a coaching brand look premium, they often assume it requires a huge audience, years of experience, or a massive amount of content. But premium perception rarely comes from volume. It comes from coherence. Premium coaching brands communicate three things immediately: clarity, structure, and standards. Clarity means your positioning is specific. Instead of saying you help people grow their business, your messaging clearly identifies the type of client you work with and the transformation you specialize in. The more precise your positioning becomes, the more premium your brand begins to feel. Structure means your offer looks intentional. Premium coaching brands do not appear improvised. Their programs have a clear methodology, defined stages, and a visible framework. When clients see structure, they assume expertise. Standards are what truly elevate positioning. Premium brands communicate who the work is designed for and what level of commitment is expected. When your messaging reflects standards instead of persuasion, serious clients recognize themselves in it. Another common mistake coaches make is trying to compete on friendliness instead of authority. There is nothing wrong with being approachable, but when every message emphasizes accessibility and reassurance, it can unintentionally lower perceived positioning. Premium brands communicate confidence through clarity. They don't try to convince everyone. They describe the work and allow the right clients to step forward. Visual presentation also plays a role. A coaching brand that looks organized, intentional, and professionally designed immediately signals credibility. This doesn't mean complexity. Often the most premium brands look simple because every element feels deliberate. If you want your coaching brand to feel more premium, focus on alignment. Your messaging, your offer structure, and your visual presence should all communicate the same standard. Here's something practical you can apply today. Review your homepage or offer page and ask one question. Would someone immediately understand who this is for and what level of client it serves? If that answer isn't obvious within a few seconds, refining your positioning will elevate your brand faster than adding more content. Premium perception is rarely about size. It's about clarity. If you want direct support refining your coaching brand positioning and offer structure, we offer private one-to-one business coaching intensives where we work deeply on messaging, authority positioning, and premium offer design. If you're building a scalable premium program, our signature program walks you step by step through creating a structured, high-value offer designed to attract serious clients confidently. And if your brand presence doesn't yet reflect the level of client you want to attract, explore our luxury Showit template shop for entrepreneurs. We also offer white glove website customization, which includes a full luxury template from our collection, customized to elevate your digital presence and positioning. A premium coaching brand isn't created through scale, it's created through clarity.